That's the river right there. That's the river. The whole ranch is flooded right there. It did a lot of damage. That house up in the distance is on the water. See if I get a better. That house right there is on the water. That's what, 5 feet high. There's a lot of homes underwater. Hey. Just say what's the name of the place and then.
Oh, this is Balanceville in Pasufal.
Okay.
Underwater.
Okay, there you go.
A little village hide in Pasufal areas.
Okay.
From the UDP, from the POP.
Well, then maybe they'll see this and maybe they'll get some assistance.
Maybe.
Did not expect to see that. Jeez. It's underwater. Woo. Another section of the road underwater. It's underwater. It's in someone else's yard currently, right now. Wow. This is intense. And I'm hiking in a flip-flops. Huge mistake, as I thought I would be able to swim most of the way in the road, but nope. Can't swim and video at the same time. That whole area there is flooded out. Another house underwater. Time of disaster. This is the Pasufal Road and it's underwater and several homes are underwater, as you can see. Almost at the main, back in the village right now, about to hit the heart of the village. It look interesting right there. Right there would reverse. That's Mopan. Gentlemen. I hope I can get it because it's above my head. Wow. Yeah, right there. This makes my heart leap with joy, but also sad to see that. As it's uncalled for. They're on the other side. So sad. Can't do anything about that. Alright, that's the bridge. And it's underwater. Absolutely and totally underwater. Police station. That's police station, it's underwater. That's on the other side as well. Just getting a couple shots. I would stay in the middle if I were you. I learned the hard way earlier this morning. I was using the edge, and the edge is deeper than the middle. Alright. Do you know what neighborhood this is? Do you know what the name of this neighborhood? No, because someone messaged me because I have a channel and they want to see if I could come down into the village and do a video because they might have family that live on the riverbank. Do you live here or no?
No, I come from San Ignacio. I just
Oh,
to the people there.
Oh, okay.
That's more than a bit.
All right. All right, well, I have to get you guys consent before. Wait. I know you. I know you from down south. Rumble. Okay. So everyone keeps on saying that it's only a couple inches, so and that's what it is. starting to get deeper. I'll go as deep as I can walk. I'm not gonna chance it. I might go to my waist and then I will have to abandon going any further. I won't proceed anymore. And it's down there. Maybe I'll chance it and go a little bit more, couple inches more. That's at my belly button right there, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's beyond my belly button. They're up in the distance trying to rescue their motorcycle over there. Not even the flood is putting a damper in their spirit. Back to the heartland. Because I heard someone call it different yesterday, so I can't recall or remember. Huh? Salvador Fernandez Bridge underwater. The line is shaking, the high tension lines are shaking.
Yeah, but yesterday when we left, the water was just.
Alright, we're off. Yeah, no, I'm going. One of my friend and my neighbor just told me that this flood is worse than the 2008 flood. That's why the guy earlier, the other neighbor earlier, told me that that I should come along the road. Hiking back to the house. It was an eventful, productive afternoon. Gorgeous place. We're heading towards the river right now. Walking back, we took the back way. Earlier I took a different route along the road, or along the road on the bottom. In that direction the road is down there and that's where the river is. So now we're heading back in that direction. About to come up on the river. Look at that rain up in the distance. Oh, that's what we're getting hit with. My neighbor just said that it might rain all night again tonight. This was an adventure and a half. Right here, major exploring with the flooding. I'm actually coming out behind the river right now. Down there, that's where I'm headed. This is the Mopan River, Cayo district, in the gorgeous, beautiful village of Bully Tree. Check that out. Woo. Flooded out over there, the road as well. And now we're down here and it's still rising. And look at that gorgeous sky. I mean, camera ain't doing justice for like over here. That whole area there is so gorgeous. Right all the way here, all there, and there. Look at it, so beautiful with the rain clouds and the magnificent sunlight just trying to peer and beam in. But over here it's so magnificent and beautiful. Oh, truly beautiful. See how deep it is. So when I left, it was about a couple inches. It was about maybe a foot and a half. Now it's already 2.5 feet and rising. See that? That's from 1 o'clock till now. It has risen 2 feet. I just love how magisterial the sky looks over there. It's commanding. I got stuck in the mud there for a second. So you guys can see how much it has risen in the last few hours. And none of this was underwater a couple of hours ago. So it's when I say this, I don't mean this area here. I mean that area right there, the fence line. The fence line is literally underwater now. Over and out.